Ready for your next adventure? The Lamicall bike phone holder ensures your smartphone stays secure while you ride. With its sturdy design and 360 degrees rotation, you can easily navigate or capture stunning views. Compatible with a range of devices, this holder offers excellent grip even on bumpy trails. Whether you're cycling in the city or on rugged mountain paths, it's your ideal companion. Upgrade your biking experience today with this must-have accessory. Link in the description to buy now. Is your car running smoothly? The Ancel AD310 diagnostic tool brings professional-grade vehicle diagnostics to your fingertips. With its simple plug-and-play design, you can read and clear error codes effortlessly. Compatible with most vehicles, this tool saves you expensive trips to the mechanic. Its compact size and easy-to-read screen make it user-friendly. Ensure your car's health and drive with confidence. Grab yours today and take control of your ride. Say goodbye to frosted windshields with the AstroAI Detachable Ice Scraper. This durable tool removes ice and frost quickly without damaging your car's glass. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the detachable feature makes it easy to store. Whether it's a chilly morning or an unexpected snowstorm, this scraper is a winter essential. Stay prepared and make winter driving hassle-free. Struggling with dust and crumbs in your car? The PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel is here to save the day. This reusable gel effortlessly picks up dirt from vents, dashboards, and tight spaces. It's easy to use, non-toxic, and leaves your car looking spotless. Perfect for busy drivers who value a clean ride. Say goodbye to mess and hello to convenience. Order yours today and keep your car pristine. Flat tires? No problem. The AstroAI portable air compressor ensures you're always road-ready. Compact yet powerful, it inflates tires quickly and accurately with its easy-to-read digital display. Ideal for cars, bikes, and more, this compressor is a must-have for every driver. Keep it in your trunk for peace of mind on every journey. Don't get stranded. Grab yours now. Keep your phone secure while you drive with the Qifutan car phone holder mount. Its strong suction cup and adjustable arm ensure a perfect fit for any dashboard or windshield. Designed for convenience, it allows easy one-hand operation so you can focus on the road. Whether navigating or streaming music, this holder is your perfect travel partner. Drive smarter and safer. Buy now. Tired of messy car trunks? Meet the HOTOR Trunk Organizer, your ultimate storage solution. This organizer offers adjustable compartments to keep everything tidy, from groceries to tools. Its durable design ensures it lasts for years, and the non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place while driving. Plus, it's foldable for easy storage when not in use. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a clean, organized trunk. Check it out now using the link in the description. No more messy car rides. The HOTOR Car Trash Storage Pocket is here to keep your car spotless. With a waterproof interior and leak-proof design, it's perfect for all your trash needs. It features a built-in storage pocket for extra convenience, and the sleek design fits seamlessly into any vehicle. Compact yet spacious, it's ideal for road trips or daily commutes. Keep your car clean and organized with this must-have accessory. Get yours today, link in the description. Never get stranded with flat tires again. The R8 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is your reliable roadside companion. With fast inflation and an easy-to-read digital display, it ensures you're back on the road in no time. It's lightweight, compact, and features a built-in LED light for nighttime emergencies. Perfect for cars, bikes, and more, this inflator is a must-have for every vehicle owner. Don't leave home without it. Grab yours now through the link in the description. Say goodbye to car messes with the ThisWorx car vacuum cleaner. This compact powerhouse features strong suction to tackle dirt, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. With a long cord and multiple attachments, it's perfect for every corner of your vehicle. Lightweight and portable, it's great for quick cleanups on the go. Keep your car spotless and fresh with this must-have gadget. Order now using the link in the description. Brighten your night drives with H11 Bulbs. These high-performance headlights provide crystal-clear visibility, ensuring safety on the road. Their long lifespan and energy efficiency make them a cost-effective choice for your vehicle. Easy to install and designed to fit most cars, they're perfect for upgrading your nighttime driving experience. Don't let dim headlights hold you back. Upgrade today with a link in the description. Stay prepared with the Airmoto portable air compressor, the ultimate tool for on-the-go inflation. With powerful performance and a compact design, it's perfect for cars, bikes, and sports gear. The digital gauge ensures precise pressure readings, while the rechargeable battery keeps it ready whenever you need it. Lightweight and easy to use, it's a must-have for every adventurer. Be road ready. Order yours now using the link in the description.